Hi everyone, I'm P. Suryaprakash from Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, which is in the central government power sector. I'm working as a chief manager in the telecom division. I'll take care of operations of communication side. Probably, I think the training, just I was nominated for the C-DAC training. Initially, I thought that probably it is the training definitely works on the theoretical part, I thought. But after coming here, joining here in the meetings and the trainings, what I came to know like that they shared the hands-on experience and what is the risk management that is involved in this sector, cybersecurity, interaction environment they created with that colleagues. Obviously, that is the thing that we shared each other. What are the current problems? What are the current organization issues? That what are the solutions also that they are going to put in practice? And everything, measure to measure, everything topics in the level 1 itself they covered. Probably the staff also, the planning they have coordinated is very, very exceptional. Like even with respect to faculty also, what are the current updates are there? The faculty shared their experience. Probably this is the topic, is a training, everyone irrespective of their department working, everyone has to participate in this. Probably this will help you a lot in the organizational level. At every level, each employee should get trained on this.